what we got? We've got the shifter. So there we go. Right, let's get her in. Let's get on with this then, boy. Well, put sellotape there. I don't know. Can't really see the point of that. Where's the? Oh right, I get it. No, I don't get it. That obviously wraps and wraps there. Yeah, I reckon that is the seam. Let's just stick this under here. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Don't you just love a box that doesn't undo? Oh, there we go. There's them bits. Oh, right, okay, it opens, does it? Yeah, it opens like that. Right, now we can open it. Oh my God! It's the first one that actually has some instructions inside. So anyway, I'll show you that then. Right, let's just get rid of the fold. You can pause that if you need it. Right. Oh, we've got the brilliant packing, look. Look, it's all cut to shape and everything. It's brilliant. I love their packaging. There's not one thing. Oh my God. Yeah, we're back to Simetik. Bonkers pieces of steel, look. There's absolutely no way it's just going to bend. Oh, it's brilliant. Oh, it's hardly out in it. That's even better. God's sake. So do you think that gear shifter is going to move? Eh? Look at all the adjustments. So you can tilt it, move it for all the different ones. Bloody hell. Right. Bin. And then we have the shifter supports. 168 grams. If I was flying an RC aeroplane, I'd be going, ah, right, okay, that's a bit heavy. But anyway. Right, undo that. Some bushes. Very little actually, so let's get it banged on. So, without my glasses. Yeah. Shows you that, shows you forward. So where's this bolt to this time? It bolts to looks like I've got to pull it in here. No, can't be there, surely. Is it there? It looks like it bolts to... Ah, oh, dear me. GoPro, stop recording. We've got it sussed. We've got it sussed, lads. Right. So use that one there, which is quite cool. And then you bend your naked knees. And that goes there. And you put a washer on it. And a washer on it. And that's where they go, like so. And get my washers and screws on it. That goes there. Wish I'd got my socket set. That goes there. Oh, my dear me. In fact, I've got that, but I've also got that. Right. Everything's nylock nuts again, which is cracking. Can't tell her. I'm good. You never want me to work on your car. I've got a spanner on your bodywork. That's my car, which isn't very well at the minute. It's decided to blow a bat box, so I'm not very happy about that, because that means it's slowing me down from doing this sort of thing, because I'm going to have to, I'm at the dentist tomorrow. No, sorry, this afternoon. And then, there we go. Nicely slides up and down. Right, next. Not sure what they're for, but anyway. So, next ones are these two. And just pick a hole. Pick a hole. You don't know where you want to be, so you can guarantee you are going to be in the wrong place. So that goes through there, like so. Now, I need mine that way. So how does that work then? It goes that way. I don't want it that way. How can I have it a different way? I wanted it that way. That looks like that's not an option. So let's put that in here. Put that in there for the minute. Me and my fiddly fingers. That one there. Bit confusing what the bushes are for at the moment, but that didn't take a lot with me. If you're doing this, you want a 10mm socket. So that'll be a lot quicker with the socket. I'm going to use my bloody motorbike toolkit. What came with that? I don't have out here. That's just in case you want to burgle me, you buggered. Right. Oh, right, that's for going down the bottom, so she said. Oh, right, okay, they're for offsetting. Right, okay. So these bushes here, they're to go there and there. or you can use it there and there to offset this. So I suppose you could do it on here as well and offset that as well. So that looks very high to me. It does look high. Let me just tighten that up a bit more. There we go. Get a tweak. So I could drop that down a lot more, but I still think that's going to be a bit high. There's 2 holes there. No, it can't be right for them. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, you can get away with this. Right, hang on. Hang on, Batman. Right, you can have it that way. And I don't want it that way. I want to fasten mine to the side. So, use that one and that one. So you can do that. So if we just pop that off and turn it that way around, I'm not sure if that wants to be at the top or the bottom, so don't think it really matters with my stuff. So there and there. Now we're better. Now we're cooking on gas. Much better. Much prefer that. Now I think I'll be a little bit further out than that, so let's just, I reckon I'll be there. You just know I'm going to be wrong when I start fitting me stuff on it, but hey ho. Right, that's the shifter mount, so it will be there, so it might, well, actually, looking at the thickness of the shifter mount, I'm going to guess this. I reckon my shifter, by the time it goes there, yeah, because that needs to be, I need to be level with the steering wheel, so anyway. So that is your shifter mount fitted. So that is everything on now, other than the monitor and stuff and all the auxiliaries. So to be honest, look at this. Absolutely, you can't move it, can't bend it, can't do it with it. So spot on. Please subscribe, press the like bell, so you'll get your notifications. So when I do start racing and that, or the next video, and subscribe, comment, like, all the normal stuff. But please subscribe. Give me all the help you can, please. Just begging you. I'm begging you. Honestly, GoPro off. GoPro stop recording.